So today we're going to be talking about switches, and I want to make it as simple as possible for anyone watching this video. So we're going to start off really quick by using these. A Pyrex dish and 3 mugs. Now we're going to use the Pyrex dish and 3 mugs to illustrate what a switch is and what each mug does. Each mug is a port. The switch itself is the Pyrex dish, and we're going to be pouring water into it. Now think of the Pyrex dish as the switch itself being powered with electricity. Each glass is a port. The water is the Ethernet connection itself. So this is just the network. The water is the network, the connection between the printer and the computer and the World Wide Web. Think of it like that. Now, let's say I want to connect the printer to the computer. This would be an unmanaged switch. So what would happen is the water from each glass would simply just mix. It would be allowed to mix with each other, and there is no interference or stopping the connection between any of the ports. All of the ports can interact with all the ports because this is an unmanaged switch. It's not being managed, it's not being controlled. There's nothing being changed here. If it's a managed switch, this would happen.
So I pour my water in. So we pour my water in to show each port. This is to show each port and what each port.
The first illustration was an example of an unmanaged switch. Now this is going to be a managed switch. Now if it was a managed switch, I'm just going to use some food dye, some food coloring. Let's say this port and this port. I only want to connect. I don't only want these 2 ports to communicate with each other. The red food coloring is the command for the managed switch to only allow these 2 ports to communicate. This one is blocked out. This one cannot communicate with this one because this one does not have red dye. So now you know the difference between a managed and unmanaged switch. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Now there are benefits to each one, whether it's unmanaged or managed, whether it's the price, whether it's the requirement of just, is it needed? Do I need to block ports, or do I need to control what port connects to what, and whether a port connects to the internet, World Wide Web? Is it required? That's the first thing. As to why you would buy one of these managed switches or an unmanaged switch. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you've watched so far, leave a comment, like, check out my other videos, and until next time.